This was the last unboxing video I will do with this phone. This is the Sony A7C II, and I am so excited about this. It is gonna be pretty. I did get this refurbished, just to kind of let you know yours might be packaged differently, but this thing is beautiful. Look at that. You got your eye finder, digital, got a flip out screen. This swivels, so I kind of closed out. Not sure why they would ship it like that. Assuming there's no battery in here. Yeah, battery's gonna be here. Got a, I think 28 to 70 lens is what I got. 2860 lens is what I got. Sony. Super excited about that. As you can see, it's focusing. And then, yeah, this is the E-mount. Got a strap. There's the battery. So, yeah, this thing is so good. There's a full frame camera, obviously. Hopefully you know that about it. And then I'm going to use this for some content creation, reviews, and then I do some stuff on the side as well for prospective clients. So super excited about this. It is so pretty. But yeah, thanks for watching. Good luck.